Every great pizza begins with great pizza crust. And with that being said, skip the delivery and make your own. To get started, in a large bowl, stir together the dry ingredients, followed by the water and oil until well combined. Next, lay the dough out on a lightly floured surface and knead until smooth. Place the dough in a greased bowl and turn once, making sure it coats nicely. Cover and let it rise at room temperature until doubled in size. It's been about 2 hours. Let's remove the dough and divide it into 4 equal portions and let it rest an additional 10 minutes. Now feel free to freeze the unused portions in an airtight container, and let's take this one and make some pizza. Lay the dough on a floured surface and roll into a 10-inch circle. Sprinkle some cornmeal on a baking dish and add your crust. Lastly, add your toppings and bake for about 10 minutes. Voila! See you next time.